How to fix unable to send code to this number. Looking for a way to fix the unable to send code to this number error on Claude AI? In this video, I'll show you a few things you can try to resolve the issue. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Use the search bar to find iPhone storage, then tap on it. Next, find the Claude app in your list of installed applications. You can sort the apps alphabetically to find it easier. Once you find Claude, tap on it and select Offload App. After the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall App to install it again. Now, try signing in and requesting the verification code again. If you're still receiving the same error after reinstalling the app, your phone number may not be supported by Claude. In that case, you can try using another phone number from a different mobile carrier. Also, double-check that you've selected the correct country or area code before entering your phone number. Make sure the country code is included correctly when registering your Claude account. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixes the verification code issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.